If you've ever wondered how to check replies on Twitter, now called X, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you exactly how to see replies to a tweet and how to find the replies you've personally made on your own profile. Whether you're trying to follow a conversation, track engagement, or just review your own comments, this will help you do it fast. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open X on your phone or in your browser. Once you're on the platform, find the tweet you want to check. This could be a post from your own account or someone else's. When you see the tweet, click on it to open the full conversation. This is important because replies are not always visible from the feed view. After the tweet opens, scroll just below it. You'll see the replies displayed underneath in the conversation thread. These are the comments and responses people have posted to that tweet. You can scroll through them, read the full discussion, and interact with any reply you want to engage with. If you're trying to keep up with a post that's getting a lot of attention, this is the best way to see the latest responses in context. Now, if you want to check the replies you've made yourself, the process is slightly different. Start by going to your profile on X. From there, look for the Replies tab. This tab shows the replies you've posted across the platform, making it easy to review your past conversations and see how you've interacted with other posts. Tap or click that Replies tab and you'll get a full list of your public replies in one place. This is really useful if you want to find a comment you made earlier, double check something you said, or simply review your activity. So just to recap, if you want to see replies to a tweet, open the tweet and scroll below it. If you want to see replies you've made, go to your profile and open the Replies tab. It's a simple process once you know where to look. And now you can do it anytime in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful social media tips, and I'll see you in the next video.